Ever submitted an expense report and felt like you were navigating a labyrinth of confusing forms and endless approvals? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with the tediousness of expense management. But what if there was a simpler way? Enter the Expensify email. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth is an Expensify email? Well, picture this. Instead of meticulously logging every receipt, filling out endless spreadsheets, and chasing down approvals, you simply forward your receipts to a special email address. That's it. Expensify's AI-powered magic takes over from there. It automatically reads your receipts, extracts key information like date, vendor, and amount, and even categorizes your expenses. No more manual data entry, no more headaches. But how does it work? Let's break it down. The magic email address. Every Expensify account has a unique email address. This is your secret weapon. Forward your receipts. Simply forward any receipt, a photo, a PDF, even a screenshot, to this magical email address. Expensify's AI takes over. The AI engine within Expensify analyzes the receipt, extracts relevant data, and creates an expense report for you. Effortless approval workflow. Your expense report is automatically routed for approval based on your company's predefined rules. Real-time insights. Expensify provides real-time visibility into your spending, allowing you to track expenses, identify areas for cost savings, and gain valuable insights into your company's finances. The beauty of the Expensify email lies in its simplicity. It eliminates the manual drudgery of expense reporting, freeing up your time to focus on more important tasks. But that's not all. Expensify offers a range of features beyond the magic email, including corporate cards, integrated corporate cards for seamless expense tracking and automated reconciliation. Travel bookings, book flights, hotels, and rental cars directly within the Expensify platform. Mobile app, effortlessly capture expenses on the go with the user-friendly mobile app. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or an employee at a large corporation, Expensify can revolutionize the way you manage expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending, responsibly, of course.